Hello everyone. On August 13th, the Neeraj Chopra Foundation, Pullela Gopichand, and AISTS India announced the launch of the Indian School of Coaching Excellence, or ISCE. This initiative aims to enhance coach education and strengthen the sports ecosystem in India. The ISCE focuses on developing world-class coaches through multidisciplinary programs that go beyond technical training. It will incorporate modern disciplines such as physical literacy, sports science, and technology, preparing coaches for the demands of high-performance sports. The initiative will act as a collaborative platform, partnering with government bodies, sports federations, academic institutions, and the private sector to promote coaching excellence across the country. Pullela Gopichand, a Padma Bhushan awardee and renowned coach, emphasized that the future of Indian sports will depend on the ecosystem built around coaching. He stated that ISCE aims to merge global best practices with Indian experience, allowing coaches to continuously develop and lead effectively. Neeraj Chopra, the founder of the Neeraj Chopra Foundation and a world and Olympic champion, highlighted the critical role of coaches in shaping athletes. He expressed that ISCE intends to equip coaches with world-class education and mentorship to help future athletes realize their potential. Chopra believes that the journey of every athlete is significantly influenced by their coaches' guidance. Himani Moore, Managing Director of Well Sports Management, expressed enthusiasm for partnering with AISTS India and Gopichand's Academy. She noted that the ISCE will provide coaches with access to contemporary knowledge and evolving methods of athlete development, which are crucial for nurturing young talent. Moore added that having coaches who are committed to learning and excellence can significantly impact young athletes aspiring to represent India. The vision for ISCE is to establish a strong coaching ecosystem, which is vital for India's sustained success in international sports. The initiative is driven by the belief that every great athlete deserves an exceptional coach, and every coach should have access to top-tier knowledge and mentorship. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.